Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check iodine in salt at home. This simple method uses everyday ingredients to help you determine if your table salt contains iodine, which is crucial for maintaining good health. We'll walk through gathering your supplies, performing the test, and understanding what the results mean. It's a quick and easy way to ensure you're getting this important nutrient. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need a small amount of the salt you want to test, along with a starch source like a potato slice or a cornstarch solution. Also, grab some lemon juice or white vinegar, as an acid is essential for this reaction. Finally, a white plate and a dropper or small spoon will complete your setup. Now, let's perform the test. First, place a small pinch of your salt onto a clean, white plate. Next, add just 2 or 3 drops of lemon juice or white vinegar directly onto the salt. This acidic environment is key for the reaction. Finally, apply 1 single drop of your starch solution right onto the salt and acid mixture. Interpreting your results is straightforward. If your salt contains iodine, you will observe a distinct blue or purple color appearing on the plate. The darker the color, the more iodine is likely present. Conversely, if there is no color change at all, it indicates that your salt does not contain iodine. This simple visual cue provides clear information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.